Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to make Krishnaji's drawing. I know you all feel bored watching art videos, as it is not as interesting as music or dance videos. So let's make it interesting. I've thought that I'll tell you a story related to my drawing character, so that you can have fun with drawing. So our today's topic is Krishnaji. Let's discuss one of the story of Krishnaji. Krishna was born to Devki, who was imprisoned by her evil brother Kans, who had been prophesied to be killed by his nephew. To protect him, his father, Vasudev, carried the newborn Krishna out of the prison. The prison doors automatically opened, and Vasudev was able to cross the flooded Yamuna River, shielded by the serpent Sheshnag, and reach his friend Nan's home in Gokul. In Gokul, Vasudev exchanged his newborn son with Yashoda's baby daughter and returned to the prison. When Kans tried to kill the baby girl, she transformed into a divine goddess who warned him that Krishna was safe and would soon come to punish him. Krishna grew up in Gokul, known for his butter-stealing pranks and his many playful miracles, which brought joy to the villagers. He protected the villagers of Vrindavan from the wrath of Lord Indra by holding the Govardhan hill over them, teaching them to find relief in their duty rather than pacify gods. As a youth, Krishna, along with his brother Balaram, returned to Mathura to defeat the wicked King Kans, fulfilling the prophecy and bringing relief to his people. Krishna is considered the 8th avatar of Vishnu, a major deity in Hinduism, worshipped as the god of protection, compassion, and love. His story is a statement that truth and goodness will always win over evil, no matter how powerful it seems. Hope you enjoyed this story and drawing. Comment if you like this idea of story with drawing. And also suggest story for the next video. Subscribe if you want more such videos. Thanks for watching. Hair Krishna.